Roll on Backroads USA.
It's time to get it in gear. Hi gang, this is Tom Rivers for BACKROADS USA, and we're coming to you from the beautiful and majestic Valley of Fire State Park, just a few clicks north of Las Vegas, Nevada. So if you plan to visit the park, be prepared to encounter miles and miles of some of the most awesome sandstone formations you'll ever see, produced by millions of years of sand-swept erosion and creating some of the most beautiful vistas the Southwest has to offer. And be sure to stop by the Visitor Center to get information, see exhibits, and learn a little history about the park, and then you can take advantage of some of the best hiking trails and campgrounds available. And not to mention those ancient petroglyphs carved out by the mystical Anasazi Indians. So if you're planning your next trip to Nevada, make sure your next destination is the Valley of Fire. Folks, thanks for watching. If you liked our channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. This is Tom Rivers for BACKROADS USA, signing off, and happy travels.